In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on SLP future while examining the smooth love elixir cost figure for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like smooth love elixir. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the smooth love mixture value expectation and answer questions in the event that SLP is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will SLP succeed or come up short, or for what reason will smooth love elixir value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what SLP is and its to-date history. SLP value expectation for the following 10 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of colossal industry players into the situation, the horizon is dim and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and crucial evaluation of each venture. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2022-12-01. Plus 3.27% $0.0025 2022 1202 plus 5.88% $0.0025 2022 1203 plus 0.84% $0.0024 2022 1204 plus 1.65% $0.0024 2022 1205 plus 2.69% $0.0025 2022 1206 plus 2.44% $0.0025 2022 1207 plus 1.79% $0.0024 2022 1208 plus 1.21% $0.0024 2022 1209 0.83% $0.0024 2022 1210 2.11% $0 love elixir value expectation 2022 high expansion and very perilous full-scale circumstance considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inner crypto issues with enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will likely see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023, 2022 deck. 16.19% $0.0020 2023 Jan. 27.67% $0.0017 2023 Feb. 22.10% $0.0019 2023 Blemish. 10.05% $0.0022 2023 Apra. Plus 0.68% $0.0024 2023 May. Plus 7.05% $0.0026 2023 John. Plus 16.56% $0.0028 2023 Joel. Plus 17.68% $0.0028 2023 All. Plus 35.58% $0.0033 2023 Sep. Plus 45.70% $0.0035 2023 Op. plus 48.55% $0.00362023 NA, plus 56.00% $0 value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees SLP coming to $0 2025. What will SLP be worth in 5 years? The cost of SLP in 5 years could lie around $0. Smooth Love Mixture value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Smooth Love Mixture will be worth in 2030? Our estimating model sees Smooth Love Mixture coming to 1 cent in 2030. What Smooth Love Elixir will be worth in 2040? Our gauging model sees Smooth Love Elixir coming to 2 cents in 2040. Will Smooth Adore Elixir supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Smooth Love Mixture won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Smooth Adore Elixir reach 10 cents? Indeed, conceivable Smooth Love Elixir can reach 10 cents, however, just in the removed future, after 2030. Could Smooth Adore Elixir reach $1? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Mixture to reach $1 in the short or midterm period. Could Smooth Adore Elixir reach $10? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Mixture to reach $10 in the short or midterm period. Could Smooth Adore Mixture reach $100? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Smooth Love Mixture to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. Is Smooth Love Elixir worth purchasing? We are supporters of modestly dangerous financial planning. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of large cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with tremendous potential gain. Thus, in this unique circumstance, Smooth Love Elixir merits purchasing. Is Smooth Love Elixir a wise speculation? Smooth Love Mixture is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a hazardous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Smooth Adore Elixir be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $0. In the long haul, it could leap to 1 cent or significantly higher. For what reason will Smooth Love Elixir succeed and get more expensive? Smooth Love Elixir has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Smooth Love Elixir ascending to 1 cent in 2030. For what reason will Smooth Love Elixir fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects come up short in light of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any and all authority and leaves the task, controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders, absence of very much planned advertising procedure, losing local area support, possible weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention, neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. How high will Smooth Adore Elixir go? Our estimating model sees Smooth Love Mixture value detonating and coming to 2 cents in a far-off future. What is the transient expectation for Smooth Love Elixir? Smooth Love Mixture will reach $0 the following 90 days, which is a 37% change over the ongoing cost, which floats around $0. Will Smooth Cherish Elixir make you a tycoon? Indeed, in the event that you